All right, so I just wanted to point out to everybody
One face, zero Facebook. Jessica Ann commented on your video.
that Lori and I are prepared. I'm going to kind of show you some things. Our kitchen is a mess because we brought things in off the lanai. So things are kind of thrown together. Mom and Kim went shopping the other day and bought a bunch of stuff. Let's see. We have some tea there. Here's a table of plants that came in from outside. For those, for the family in Grand Rapids, I wanted to show you, let's see. Oh, first of all, I wanted to show you this plant. I hope you can see it.
Can you turn the light on? I can't see it.
Oh, okay, I'm going to go turn the kitchen light on because Laura says it's not light enough. Excuse me, light enough in here.
You should have turned the light on over it.
Oh,
The light
oh, yeah. Let's see if this is good enough. Anyway, this plant was inadvertently thrown in the garbage, a very small piece of it, and now it's thriving. Alright, so back to those in Grand Rapids, about Grandma's plant. Let's see, what did I do with Grandma's plant? Grandma's plant is on that table as well, wasn't it? Yes, okay. This here is Grandma D's plant, doing well. So just wanted to let everybody in Grand Rapids know. Alright, back to our preparedness. Here is, we have water. 2 boxes of stuff. I have no idea what they bought. I mean, honestly, who knows? Let's see. Nothing down here. I know we have stuff all over the place. I'm trying to keep this rated, let's see, G for kids. Oh, here's some more food, snack food. Whatever that is, a box of something. Bags of, who knows, again. Oh, tuna, we have some tuna. And lunch meat, bread. So we honestly are well set for the hurricane. Nope, look, another bag of something. Oh, a box of soup, it looks like. Also, we have a generator that runs the whole house. I tested it yesterday. I cut the electric off, and within a minute or so, the generator kicked on, and we're good to go. Stay tuned for another video. Peace.
Speech on. Stop recording video. Button.